All right, Patriots. So another thing I want to talk about when it comes to angles is something called an angle bisector. So this video is going to demonstrate how to find unknown values by using the definition of what an angle bisector is. So we already did this with a segment bisector. We understand that a bisector means to cut something into two equal parts. So an angle bisector is a ray, this ray, AS, right here, starting at A going through S, bisects angle TAP. The whole angle right here. What that means is this ray divides my angle into two congruent angles. So to show these angles are congruent, I am going to mark those with arcs. So I know these two angles are the same. That's what congruent means. Congruent means things are the same. It marks the angle bisector cuts this big angle into two congruent parts. So what we know is we know angle TAS, this angle on top, is equal to angle PAS, right here, the angle on bottom. So congruent, I'm sorry, they said they were congruent. Congruent means they are equal. And then what we know is angle addition postulate still holds. The yellow piece plus the blue angle, angle TAS plus angle PAS equals the measure of angle TAP. Remember, the M stands for measure, just how many degrees are in it. There we go. So bisect tells us that the two angles on the inside are congruent to each other. If they are congruent to each other, they are equal. We can also say angle addition postulate. Inside plus inside equals whole thing. So I want to find the measure of all of my angles from the given information. Goodness, I should say from. So angle TAS is 28. The yellow angle is 28. So if we look back, we know angle TAS, the yellow angle, is equal to angle PAS, the blue angle. So the blue angle is also 28 degrees. Because those two angles are congruent. So have we found all the angles? No, we still need to find the measure of angle TAP, the green angle, the measure of angle TAP. To find that one, we're going to do TAS, 28, plus the measure of angle PAS, another 28, and that will equal measure of angle TAP. So 28 plus 28 is 56. Now I have found the measure of all the angles, so I am done. When we come to class tomorrow, we're going to do more problems with this. Very exciting. So please come with any questions that you might have.